Yes, sir. This is your number 5 plastic zipper flower tip close and slider mounting machine. This machine with slider mounting and combination function together. Now let me show the process for you. This zipper is from your side. Look at this is a flower tipper. Okay, the zipper comes through here and then come to here. This is a slider vibrator and slider come to here. And you see, it comes inside from here, goes through the slider mold, and then come to here. Okay, this is the sample which after slider mounting and combination. Okay, in next video, I will take the operation video for you. Normally, people mount this quite of a zipper by hand before. Now, if you buy this machine, it can save your labor charge. Here, sir, this is your number 5 plastic zipper, slider mounting and combination machine. Now, I show the operation situation for you. Zipper is coming inside from here. And look at the slider is full already, so vibrator stop working. And once there is not enough slider, and then it will start working. Okay. Here with slider mounting and combinated the zipper. This zipper is come out from this slider mounting and combination machine. Machine is working smoothly.相当于小时1200条，是不是？This machine output is about 1,200 pieces per hour.